Welcome to our guide on useful hand expressions in English. Let's dive in and learn some common phrases. First up is giving a thumbs up. It means approval or agreement, a universally understood gesture. Next, wringing your hands signifies anxiety or nervousness. You might do this unconsciously when stressed. How about washing your hands of something? It means you're disassociating yourself from a responsibility or situation. When someone has the upper hand, they are in a position of control or advantage. It's a power play. Hand in hand is often used to describe things that go well together, like peanut butter and jelly. To lend a hand means to offer help or assistance. It's a friendly and supportive gesture. Ever heard a show of hands? It's a way to gauge interest or opinions in a group setting. To keep someone at arm's length means to maintain emotional or physical distance. It's about boundaries. To have a hand in something means to be involved or play a role in an activity or project. If you throw your hands up, it signifies surrender or frustration. It's a clear sign of giving up. Cold hands, warm heart suggests that someone who seems distant might actually be very kind and caring. Finally, getting your hands dirty means being directly involved in hard work. It's about taking action. Thanks for watching. Use these expressions to spice up your English conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.